Hey, welcome back. The fine folks at Bastion sent along this really terrific pen for us to check out. Let's take a closer look. The pen came wrapped in a sleeve and then packaged in a really nice magnetic box. This version is in carbon fiber. It's got some carbon fiber in the barrel there. And the first thing that strikes you when you pick this up is it's got some real heft to it. It weighs 2.26 ounces and 64 grams on my scales. It is a solid pen, something that's built to last. All of the threads are machined really well. It's very smooth. The transitions are really well done. There's nothing really standing proud. The bolt action is really easy to manipulate. Let's take this apart. So there's your spring and there's your refill. It's a Parker type of refill. Parker refills have this little geared end on here, but that's not really necessary for a bolt action pen. The end there is flat, so that's more for a clicker type. See the threads there, and then the carbon fiber. And there is the bolt without any spring action on it. And the spring action, of course, comes from this spring. It's very nice, very well done. Hey, so a really big thanks to the folks at Bastion for sending this pen along for us to check out. Click the link in the description and it will let them know that you saw it here. There's no sharp edges that I can feel on any of the machining, and the pocket clip looks like it's attached with a couple of Allen screws there. It's very sturdy. So this is a very high quality pen. It doesn't feel cheap in any way. It feels like it is something that you will have for the rest of your life if you take care of it. It's something that you'll have for many, many years. We live in a world that is kind of disposable or planned obsolescence, where things just kind of wear out and they kind of expect you to just buy another one every year or two. But this is something that will last for many, many years. My granddad had a saying. He said he was too poor to buy cheap stuff. So buy it once and you'll have it for years and years and years. One of those things that you'll buy now and 10 years from now, you could still be using it. Let's see how it writes. Really smooth. I like this style of refill. There's a lot of ink in there and it's a really smooth roller ball. Writes really well. It's comfortable. It's big enough around that you're not going to get a hand cramp, or I'm not going to get a hand cramp. Unlike, like a Parker Jotter. It's very small, and I just feel too cramped up on that. But, this is very generous. And I like the weight. I like that it feels really solid. It feels like a like a pen and a tool all at the same time. So I really enjoy this. This is really nice. Very good. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, let's check out their website together and see what other kind of things they've got. So they have a huge selection of pens, watches, pen parts and accessories, and even jewelry, and even fountain pens. I'd like to try that out. All right, this is the first Bastion pen that I have ever held or used, and I can see now why they're so popular. Check out the link in the description, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.